It doesn't matter if Alex Pretty had a gun. Federal agents killed Alex Pretty, who was reportedly armed and dangerous. But a thorough analysis reveals he was unarmed when shot. Protests have ensued in Minneapolis following the incident. Zoran Mamdan's first NYC snowstorm becomes a major governing test. New York Mayor Zoran Mamdani faces his first major test as he prepares to navigate a significant snowstorm. Decisions on school closures and infrastructure management could significantly impact public perception. The storm could affect 2/3 of the American population. The Great E-Bike crackdown has begun. New Jersey imposes heavy restrictions on e-bike ownership, sparking concern over growing injuries and fatalities among teenagers. Investors' expectations from Union Budget 2026. Government urged to simplify policies for accredited investors in Union Budget 2026, with focus on F&Os due to their riskier nature. Angel investing is key to capital formation. Microsoft handed the government encryption keys for customer data. Microsoft complied with an FBI request to hand over encryption keys for customer data related to an investigation into COVID unemployment fraud in Guam, bucking the usual tech industry resistance towards such requests. Lawmaker to launch new party ahead of February 8 election. Opposition lawmaker Kazuhiro Haraguchi plans to launch a new political party prior to the February 8 general election, opting out of the new centrist alliance. Pentagon to reduce its role in deterrence of North Korea. Pentagon to reduce its role in deterring North Korea, shifting focus to homeland defense. South Korea may assume primary responsibility, potentially raising concerns in Seoul. Bari Weiss's CBS News won't even condemn Israel for killing a CBS contributor, ZEO, Substack. CBS Evening News anchor Tony Dokupal promotes Israel's narrative following the killing of a Palestinian journalist, causing internal backlash. Health officials say no evidence of mystery brain illness in New Brunswick, BBC. Health officials in New Brunswick have found no evidence of the recently reported mystery brain illness. Ongoing research suggests possible diagnosable illnesses as an alternative explanation. Metro Atlanta under ice storm warning as region braces for winter weather, wade.org. Ice storm warning issued for Metro Atlanta, potentially causing widespread power outages and treacherous travel conditions. Ice has been entering homes without judicial warrants since last summer, sources say, NBC News. ICE reportedly entered homes without judicial warrants since last summer, according to administration officials. Goldman Sachs boosts CEO Solomon's pay 21% to $47 million, Bloomberg. Goldman Sachs raises CEO Solomon's pay by 21% to $47 million, reflecting a successful year with soaring shares and reaffirmed leadership. How to prepare for rare, dangerous ice expected from this weekend's storm, Axios. Prepare for potentially hazardous ice from this weekend's storm, expected to impact regions from Texas to New England. TR-49 is interactive fiction for fans of deep research rabbit holes, Ars Technica. Explore a captivating sci-fi tale through the dense narrative deduction game TR-49. Perfect for fans who love deep research rabbit holes. No. 17 Alabama plans to play 7-footer Charles Bediako, who turned pro in 2023, against Tennessee, AP News. 7-foot pro Charles Bediako, who gave up college eligibility in 2023, will play for Alabama against Tennessee this weekend. Is China quietly winning the AI race? BBC. Big US firms and startups are increasingly partnering with Chinese tech companies. raising questions about China's growing dominance in the AI industry. Bruce Arians addresses Mike Evans. Lavonte David retiring, JoeBucksFan.com. Buccaneers legends Mike Evans and Lavonte David's playing futures addressed by coach Bruce Arians. Businesses close. Minnesotans to stay home Friday in protest of ICE, Star Tribune. Hundreds of businesses in Minnesota to close on January 23 as part of a statewide protest against ICE, demonstrating community unity against federal immigration action in the Twin Cities. Elon Musk's fortune hits record $788 billion as Tesla spikes 4%. Forbes. Elon Musk's net worth reaches a record $788 billion as Tesla gains 4%, closing in on the $800 billion mark. Epic and Google have a secret $800 million Unreal Engine and Services deal, The Verge. Epic and Google in $800 million deal for Unreal Engine and Services, which may influence antitrust settlement talks.